It's me, favorite Lee, and welcome back to iAMASHLEEJADETv. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that like button if you see anything you like here. So for today's video, I want to show you guys the hair. This is our Indian body wave from Luxx Crownz, always linked down below, and the only hair that Ashley Jade wears. I don't know why I talked in third person, first person, second person, I don't know. But I've been working on placing the baby hairs, and I think I did an okay job. Right now what I'm about to do is just put a few curls in my hair. I put some layers in the front right here. As you can see, the bang area kind of has like a little bit of a, no, now my edge is gonna be smushed. Oh, yeah, no, it is kind of smushed. So for your edges, you want to use a spoolie. I find that that makes the process so much easier. Like they look better to me. These edges are a little bit thick to me. I don't really like baby hairs at all. On one of my other frontal installs, I'll try to insert a picture now, but I had like a half down do, and it was like fine little baby hairs. These are a little thick. Some people like them like that. I don't. But I'm still working with the lace. I don't want any at all. But it was very hard for me to apply the frontal because I haven't applied a frontal in a while. Like, I've just been wearing closures, so I forgot how to apply a frontal. And I'm thinking about going and using bold hold. I've been using Ghost Bond, and it used to work really well, but now I just feel like maybe it's not the same formula or something, because it don't want to stick. Like, I don't know if it's my body chemistry, I don't know, but I might give bold hold a try. So, but this is the hair though. Like, you can put your fingers through it. There might be some shedding when I put my hands up because my nails need filling, and you know, they can snag some hairs, but there's no shedding. Oh, look at that little nail. No shedding, no hair in my fingers. So this hair does pretty well with that. On this side though, I will say that I might get some shedding on this side because there's glue in my hair. I have to cut that, so it won't be as hard, but I put some layers right here, just like face framing. It's not very short though. This one I went a little bit shorter. I took the layers up a bit, and so it's just what it is. You can do, I really don't want the lace to like lift because it's not fully dry yet, but I was debating on whether or not I should do a middle part, because that's what I was going to start off with. I was going to start off with a middle part, and then when I put it on the head to like style it after I washed it and stuff like that, I was like, So I just kind of went into a middle part. But like I said, I love this hair. This is for somebody that likes like natural lengths. Well, all lengths are natural lengths because obviously people grow their hair to those lengths. But I love going up to a 22 inch. 18 is kind of short to me. And I only really like longer lengths because I'm insecure about my arms since I gained weight. So I like lengths that's gonna cover my arms. And I noticed that a lot of thicky girls wear long hair to cover their arms. So yeah, but other than that, like, I love this hair. It's super soft. The luster is really nice. Like, when I was in the actual sun, I'll show you guys, I'll link that video at the end of this video. And I saw it in the light, I was like, oh, this hair is popping. Like, it had no product in it. I just washed, conditioned it, and then I blew dry. I didn't let this hair air dry because I was in a rush and I wanted my hair to look semi-decent. I didn't want to be out there just with like, because usually I just let my hair just go, but we were having a little date night, so I was like, you know, I want to look a little cute for my babe. We haven't gone on a date night in a while, so yeah. But yeah, and these curls should stay about 2-3 days, maybe more, maybe not, because I'm not gonna flexi rod them. I'm probably not gonna wear my scarf. Like, no. I have a silk pillowcase, which I showed you guys in the other video, and that's how I've been, you know, kind of just waking up and let the hair go where it wants to go. You have to get your hair cut or layered in a certain way if you want your hair to look a certain way. Don't expect super nice, like, layered curls if your hair is not layered. You can do it a little bit, but the curls will kind of fall to its longest, like, length. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. The curls will fall. It will be looser than if it was like a nice little cut side part with a like feathered thing going on. And I have a little bit of volume here because I didn't comb down my hair and I don't have a wig cap under on. I don't have a wig cap under this, so I have a little bit of a hump here that's giving me a little bit of extra volume. Excuse the bare face. I did not feel like putting on any makeup today. But this hair is nice and bouncy. It's light. I was gonna say it's not as light as the straight hair, but it definitely is. It's not like super light like the straight hair, but it is still light, if that makes sense. I like the natural color. It's like a really dark brown color. You can really see the brown color when you go in the light. I also like that the frontal the knots bleached really easily and quite fast. I think I had the bleach on. I had 30 developer and I had the bleach on for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. But I love this hair. So again, if you're interested, I put a little bit of layers back here too with the razor. If you're interested in this hair, again, it will be linked down below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll come back to you guys in about 2 weeks. And give you guys like an update, I guess. But yeah, I think I went over pretty much everything. The hair doesn't shed. It keeps a nice curl for a few days. It's actually very manageable. If you want to preserve your curls, you can wrap the hair up like so, like this. Just kind of bunch the curls up and put like a pin curl in there, and like that you could go to sleep like that. Or, you know, flexi rods. I hate flexi rods. They just, I don't know how to use flexi rods, so I never do flexi rods. But look at this hair. Just like look at her. Look at her. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. As well as don't forget to hit that like button, like I said in the beginning of this video. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media links. Everything is at iAMASHLEEJADE. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so make sure to hit me up on there. And also follow Luxury Crownz on Instagram, as well as our like page on Facebook. We always update on Instagram first, and then I go onto like I go onto Facebook and start doing like little posts and stuff. So we will have a sale soon. It will be posted soon. I'll tell you guys more details about that later on. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. And I'll talk to you lovelies in another video. Peace.